Meaning of illogicality.
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 Illogicality. Illogicality refers to something that is illogical, irrational, or lacks reasoning. It is the state of being without logic or reason. In other words, it refers to a situation where an argument or thought process does not make sense or is inconsistent. The consequence of accepting illogicality as a valid approach to thinking is that it can lead to confusion and misunderstandings in daily life. It is important to use critical thinking skills to identify and avoid logical fallacies in order to maintain clear and effective communication with others and make sound decisions.